Do you know what the risk appetite of your company is? Could you explain it to me in an understandable way? If not, you are not alone. Let me give you a simple tool which will explain what risk appetite is, make it visible and actionable. You see here behind me a matrix. This is a matrix called risk map, sometimes also called heat map, which risk management in a company uses to handle all the risk in a company. And they do it in a simple way. They have two axes, two criteria to apply. First is the impact of a potential damage a risk could cause. The second criteria is the probability or likelihood that this identified risk will materialize. They do this grid, they allocate all this risk into it, and then they have a first assessment of the risk of the company. And now comes the beauty to it. This is the red line. The red line is drawn by the companies responsible to show where the acceptable risk lays. If a risk is outside of the line, they have to take measures to get it below the red line. If it's under the red line already, then they can still leave it, or if they have a quick access and don't need a lot of resources to put it a little bit lower, they can still try to move it with respective measures. Now you have been provided with a simple tool to explain next time what risk appetite really means. And if you want to apply to your personal life, for example, when you go next time skiing or you do a risky sport, just make this assessment. Ask yourself what could happen, how likely is it that it could happen, what would be the damage when it occurs, and then draw your personal risk appetite line. Good luck!